Hello guys, welcome back to Team Indialippines channel. So, where are we today?
Today it's a very special day and we are here. It's actually newly opened.
Yeah, it's a very new tourist attraction in Abu Dhabi, and it's beautiful. It's very simple and very innovative, and it's something very simple, but I think it's going to be a very relaxing walk.
Yeah, so they call it Mangrove Walk.
Mangrove Walk. I don't know.
Yeah, is it? I think so.
Okay.
Anyway,
so,
I will put it also.
Okay, so you guys have a look at it before we waste time talking.
Okay, let's go and watch our
Intro.
You can hear the birds.
Yeah, that's very nice, no?
Yeah, you can hear the birds. So why they said that you will feel more into nature, you know? You will be in touch in nature in this place.
Yeah.
Going from here, keep to the left, you reach to the floating platform.
Okay.
Keep going forward, you'll reach to the roots of the mangroves.
Okay.
Okay, from here, and then you keep moving forward, you'll reach to the viewing tower.
Okay.
Take the left. Keep going forward, salt collectors left.
Okay, so we can collect salt or something?
No, that's actually
Salt collectors left.
salt collectors left. So it's like it's actually an educational nod for the children.
Okay.
They'll explain you about the mangroves.
Okay.
And it has a high sanity observant.
Because we have to be very careful with Ambita Kabayan, you know, she might jump and collect some salt. See, take it. So guys, we are here at the mangrove forest.
Mangrove forest.
More like a forest now, huh?
Yeah. So nice.
See the speciality of mangrove. One of the specialities of this.
It's like in your place, baby.
Yeah, it's like you're in Kerala. You know, actually, it's illegal to cut mangrove. So what is so special about mangrove?
Yeah.
Is that it takes in a lot of carbon dioxide. And it takes, what I know about mangrove is quite a bit, but what I heard is that one mangrove tree or a shrub, it's not a tree, it's a shrub, and it can take double the carbon dioxide of almost any plant in the planet.
Look at this.
Wow!
Wow, Chuchay, look at this, Chuchay. Look at this, nice. What's that, baby? Oh wow! See, there's a fish.
There is a fish viewing area, I think.
Oh, there's fish. Our Chuchay is
Chuchay is under the sun.
under the sun.
Under the sun. So this mangroves can take in double the carbon dioxide, and it's very good to purify the environment. See, taking the deep breath, you will get one of the freshest oxygens.
That's true. It's different, you know.
It's different, right?
Yeah, it's really different.
So that's the best thing about mangrove. Another very good quality about mangrove is that it grows in salt water.
It grows in salt water.
So people plant it in the sides of salt water. I mean in the coastal area
Yeah.
to reduce any soil erosion, to help sea life to grow,
Yeah.
to what do you say? I don't know. But why they plant? Another thing quality about mangrove is that their roots look like stems.
Yeah.
You saw the stems?
It's true.
Stems.
Show them.
See that? These are actually roots of the mangrove. So the stem is supposed to be really sophisticated, it says, because this stem is able to suck in oxygen from the water by desalinating the seawater.
Wow.
So first you have to filter the salt from it, no?
This is nice view, baby.
Yeah. Come, there is a tower point or something. We'll go there.
Which one? Ta-da!
Because I think that will be a nicer view. Another feature about mangrove is that it will clear the salt water. I mean, it makes the water clear. So this is what they call the floating platform. To conduct a closer study of the mangrove ecosystem that comprises salt-tolerant plants and numerous marine systems. Fish species, crab species.
Come on, let's see fishy. Fishy, fishy. Go, go, go. Fishy, fishy. Fishy, where's the fish?
Oh. So this is the net. Why don't you jump in? Okay.
Can you do? Okay, Chuchay and Daddy will go.
No, I
Okay.
don't want to.
Oh my God, Daddy will go, Chuchay. Go to Daddy. You're afraid? How is it, baby? I thought you will dip your
Kind of
legs.
It's kind of creepy. Huh?
You want us to experience? Hooray! Look, oh. Look at them. Oh, they are in the net. You want to try? You want to try? You want to try? Okay, try. Try it, try. Whee!
This is the picture place.
Yeah. Oh, what happened? Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Whoops. Step 1. Jogging. Such a beautiful nature, guys. And it's really perfect because it's still cold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the beginning of the summer season.
Yeah, that's true. She ran already, guys. Chucha is very excited. What's that? What's that, baby? Be careful, be careful. You cannot swim. Where's the fishy? Where's the fishy? There's no fishy? There's a small fish. Look. Chucha, look, there's a small fish. The best thing about this place is if you fart, mangroves will love it. So fart more in this place.
Who said? So you're farting carbon dioxide?
I want to fart, baby, so that I can give them the what they want. So they will give me
You are
more.
not farting carbon dioxide.
What is that?
I think you're farting nitrogen. Yeah, that's all people fart, no?
So
So you want to come here and do something good for these mangroves?
Yeah, so I will fart.
Oops.
Hello, mangroves. You want fart? So you need to give them something, right? They are giving us.
So you
much.
did already. It's a zigzag road.
Yeah, nice place. Wait. Our chucha is very bored. She wants to walk.
Yeah.
She really wants to walk. And now it's sunny.
Mm.
But then still it's nice to walk in this weather.
Yeah. Now is when the summer starts, nobody's gonna get out.
This is your time to lose weight. Baby, don't leave me. Baby, hold my hand.
That's like those girls who are not used to the heat, no?
Yeah, like me. But you know, I really remember your place, baby. Kerala. Seeing these mangroves, I feel like
You're in Kerala, no?
yeah, it's very nice place.
Yeah, it reminds me of Kerala too. It's a nice place to come for a jog, I think. But then anyways, you are not living close to it, so...
But the only difference is water here is very clear.
That mangroves make it very clear, no?
Yeah, but the Kerala, there is
Kerala
green
water. But there are places in Kerala which are having clear water. Only thing is...
Very nice.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Nature is nature, guys.
Yeah.
So if you can take care of our nature, if you can save our mother nature in very simple way, like for example, you go to grocery and you bought a small packet of something, you don't need to take plastic bag, put it in your bag.
Say no to plastic bags.
So save the mother earth, guys. A little gesture of something. Look, there's so many fish. There's so fishy. Look, fishy.
Roots of mangrove.
Fishy. So guys, it's very nice because I think if you want to jog, you have a car. I think better you come here and jog. No. Ayan. I think my
Let's pack it and go.
tripod wants to
Jump out of the...
jump out too. Okay, let's go anyway, baby.
Let's pack it, no?
No need. Ayan, maybe there's...
Who is this mangrove? So first prize goes to...
Philippines! Thank you. Well, if I say Philippines, I should say also India, right? So since I'm married to Indian, so there's always something you should put Philippines dash India. So now it's like that. And again, anyway, shout out to all Filipino Indian couple there. Ayan.
Shout out to... Is there any shout out? No.
Shout out to Michelle Jimenez.
Michelle Jimenez, shout out to you.
Thanks me Bohol.
Thanks me Bohol.
Janice in G2.
Janice and Jitu, I hope Jitu is well and fine.
Ayan, so we love our Filipino Indian friends, the couple who is really like, you know, like us, like crazy people like us. So spread the love, guys. Spread the love like that. So
And don't be hateful to China.
yeah.
I've been seeing a lot of hate messages about China online.
Yeah, about coronavirus.
Just wanted to say that they are also people and they ended up in trouble, so we need to support them, and for sure Chinese people will figure out a way to fix this.
Yes, that's true.
So send your love. There are people in suffering, so
We are sending our love to China.
yeah, we love China so much. And
Because
we
sometimes
wish you the
they
best.
think I'm Chinese.
And sometimes they think you are Nepalese also.
Yeah.
I thought you are Japanese.
What Moshi moshi.
Okay, see you. So we are almost to the end, guys. It was a very good walk. As you can see, there is a lot of cafeteria or something outside.
Cafeteria.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if any of you would like to enjoy this, please feel free to come to the Mangrove Walk.
Mangrove Walk.
So,
let's check it out there, that side. Okay.
okay. Dubai Mangrove Park. So this is the cafeteria.
So guys, it's a bit hot now. It's really hot. My face is, I don't know if my face is red.
It is red. So I become black and she becomes pinkish.
Ayan guys, so I don't know what else to do here in Mangrove. We will figure it out, but then I think that's all, right?
Yeah, that's all.
That's all, no?
So see you guys.
Okay, so let's go to the car. So guys, this place is actually
Near to Jubail Island. It's accessible by car. So if you are planning to come here, when you Google Mangrove Park, you will find another Mangrove Park, but don't go there. You'll have to Google Jubail Park, Jubail Island.
I think Mangrove Walk.
Mangrove Walk or
Yeah.
Jubail Island.
Yeah.
Mangrove Walk is situated in Jubail Island.
Yeah.
It's that road which goes in front of Yas. That Yas Marina Drive or something. like
Yeah,
that.
that's true. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and
Please forget to. Please don't forget to.
please forget
Please don't forget to
like.
and subscribe.
And of course, we have Facebook page and Instagram, and follow us on our social media.
So bye bye.
Bye. Say bye, Chuchay. Bye. Bye bye.
Is this girl pink? Is this
Yeah,
girl
she's
pink? Is this girl pink? JJ, smile.
Smile. Bye guys. Say bye guys.
Say bye, guys.
Bye guys. She's sleepy now.